Today, we're going to show you 5 things we never expected would be this useful. First up are these Coast rechargeable safety glasses. Every shop needs a set of safety glasses, and these are really comfortable. They expand so they fit any face size, and these edges are silicone, so they're really comfortable to wear all day. And because they're not really tight, they don't leave that raccoon tightness around your eyes. The extra cool feature is that it has an LED light in the glasses. So you're able to have a hands-free light if you're looking up at the truck or in a dark space. Really, really convenient. And these are rechargeable with a micro USB cable. This is one of our favorite ones. The guys are fighting over them in the shop all the time. Love them. Next up are these Quick Fist rubber clamps. They come in a package of 2, very convenient. Don't be surprised if by the end of the year you have multiple of these. They attach very easily. Just put a screw through the surface that you're trying to attach it to. You can attach something vertically or horizontally. In our shop, we have very heavy-duty pry bars attached to the walls. You can use it outside because the rubber is UV resistant, so put up gardening tools or whatever else you need organized. This is really convenient and versatile. You're able to tighten things up kind of like a zip tie to ensure a really tight fit, and it's a really easy way to keep things off the ground. Next thing we realized we needed was a lot of magnetic lights. That's why we got our hands on some of these. Ours happened to be from Coast, which we chose because of the different settings that it has. So it has different brightness levels, and another cool feature about it is that you can adjust the focal range. Really, really convenient in case you're kind of far away, but you need some of that lighting. This particular light is battery operated. However, we use rechargeable batteries just to make it easier on us. And it has a magnet on the back. It's covered by this thin silicone, so we've put it on the sides of our vehicles, we've put it on the frame of the car. It's never left any marks on it, which has been great. And this particular light comes with a hook. That way, if you're working in a space that isn't a really good place to put a magnet, you might be able to hook it. Really cool idea for camping as well. And again, if your inland trails need a light or if you're on the campsite, this works great. Highly recommended. For this next one, we're gonna have to go to the wall. This is a bolt and nut identifier by Identibolt. If you've ever worked on any car or any project that requires nuts or bolts, you know just how useful this thing can be and how useful it will be to save you a trip to the hardware store. If you have to replace one of these and you don't know the size, just go on here, screw it on, boom, you got your answer. This is probably the most useful tool we have in the shop. If you're gonna make one big investment, strongly recommend this. This is a cordless ratchet by Milwaukee. It uses an M12 battery, comes with a light, and it makes it really easy and really fast to finish projects. This thing is super powerful, really easy to use. It's lightweight. You can easily attach something with one hand. It has single-handedly replaced most of the tools that we have. And if you're working on a big project, it would be really convenient if you have multiple of these. Strongly recommended. There's obviously a lot of tools that you can use in any shop to make your work easier and to make everything very productive. But you really can't go wrong with any of the ones we showed you today. Happy shopping!